Okay, so today I want you to take a moment to envision our government as a tree. So at the base of our tree is the trunk, and that will represent our government. Coming from the trunk is our first branch. This branch is our legislative branch. We will color that pink. Our legislative branch is in charge of making laws. Our second branch is our executive branch. This branch is in charge of enforcing our laws. The president is a part of this branch. Our third branch is our judicial branch. This branch is in charge of judging our laws to make sure that they are fair. It is important that each branch is the same size. If one branch becomes too powerful, it will topple over. So if our judicial branch became too powerful, it would topple over this way. This is called a balance of power when all branches are the same size. Each branch is responsible to make sure that the other branches remain the same size. There is one final part of our tree that we're missing, and that is the biggest and most powerful part of our government. And that is the people. The people, like you and me, are responsible for contributing to our government and keeping it running smoothly. Okay. Do we have any questions over our tree?
No.
No? Okay. Now we're going to move into our vocabulary for this lesson. Okay. Our first vocabulary word is government. Say it after me. Government.
Government.
The government is a system by which a nation, state, or community is governed. Next is legislator, from a branch, our first branch, legislative. This branch carries out the laws. The legislative branch makes the laws. Okay, say the word legislative.
Legislative.
The next one is executive. This branch assures that laws and other branches agree with the Constitution. Say executive.
Executive.
The next is judicial. This branch, judges the laws. Go ahead and say judicial.
Judicial.
The next word is Senate. This is the small upper assembly in the U.S. Congress. Say Senate.
Senate.
And next is the House of Representatives. This is the larger portion of the legislative branch. Say House of Representatives.
House of Representatives.
Very good. And we'll be coming across those words in our reading and our video later today. So I'll put them up on the board for you guys to reference. Do we have any questions over our vocabulary?
No.
Okay. Now we are going to watch a video, and you guys are going to fill out your graphic organizers, and you will be graded on these.